Want to grow sweet, juicy honeydew melons at home from seeds? In the next 3 minutes, I'll show you exactly how, step by step, even if you're a total beginner. Let's grow. Steps 1. Buy or pick a fully ripe honeydew melon. The sweeter it tastes, the better the seeds. Eat it and save the seeds. Steps 2. Rinse the seeds under water to remove all the sticky pulp. Rub gently with your fingers. Honeydew seeds are bigger than watermelon, super easy to clean.
Step 3. Spread the clean seeds on a paper towel or plate and let them dry completely for 3-7 days in a warm, airy spot. Step 4. Fill small pots with seed starting mix. Plant 2 to 3 seeds per pot and a ½ inch deep. Water gently. Keep soil moist and warm. In 7 to 14 days, you'll have baby honeydew plants. Once they have 2 to 3 true leaves,
Step 6. After last frost, transplant into full sun. Space plants 3-4 feet apart. Honeydew needs heat and space. First, harden off your seedlings. Dig a hole and transplant carefully. Water well and add mulch. Water deeply 1 to 2 inches per week. Support heavy fruits with slings or let them grow on the ground. Bees will pollinate the flowers. Harvest when the skin turns creamy yellow and it smells sweet. 80 to 100 days from seed to fruit.
Look at this homegrown honeydew, sweeter than store-bought and 100% organic. One seed packet gives you dozens of melons. It's so juicy and sweet. That's how you grow honeydew from seeds at home. If you loved this, smash like, subscribe to Home and Garden Lab, and comment honeydew if you're growing this year.